Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the lush world of houseplants. As we step into 2025, the trend of incorporating greenery into our homes is only getting stronger. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your botanical journey, you'll want to know which houseplants are set to thrive this year. So, grab your pot and let's explore the top 5 houseplants you should consider bringing into your home. First up, we have the iconic Monstera Deliciosa, often affectionately referred to as the Swiss cheese plant. With its stunning split leaves and easy care nature, this tropical beauty is perfect for adding a pop of greenery without demanding too much attention. Monstera thrives in bright, indirect light and only needs watering when the top inch of soil is dry. Plus, its air-purifying qualities make it a must-have. Next on our list is the hardy snake plant, or Sansevieria. Known for its resilience and ability to tolerate low light, it's the perfect plant for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Not only does it bring a sleek, modern aesthetic to any room, but it also works tirelessly to filter toxins from the air. Just remember to keep it on the dry side. This plant prefers to be underwatered rather than overwatered. At number 3, we have the ever-popular Pothos. This trailing vine is ideal for beginners and seasoned plant lovers alike. With its heart-shaped leaves and the ability to thrive in various lighting conditions, it's not just stylish but incredibly forgiving. Whether you choose the classic green or explore the marbled varieties, Pothos can enhance any space. They are also known for their air-purifying characteristics, making them a health-friendly choice for your home. Coming in at number 4 is the Fiddle-leaf fig. These plants have taken the interior design world by storm. With their large, dramatic leaves, they can act as a stunning focal point in any room. They prefer bright, indirect light and do need a little more attention when it comes to watering. If you can provide the right conditions, the Fiddle-leaf fig will reward you with gorgeous growth, making it a favorite for plant enthusiasts. And last but certainly not least, we have the zizi plant, or Zamioculcas zamiifolia. This plant is the champion of low maintenance. Its glossy leaves and robust growth make it perfect for those who may not have the greenest of thumbs. Zizi plants thrive in low light and only need watering every few weeks. Plus, they have air-purifying properties and can adapt to various conditions, making them a versatile addition to any home. So there you have it. The top 5 must-have houseplants for 2025. Each of these beauties not only enhances your living space but also contributes to a healthier environment. Which one are you most excited to add to your collection? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant tips and tricks. Happy planting!